Hello and welcome to the Hungarian Gourmet's video recipe series. Today we will be making delightful nut-filled Hungarian-style crescent pastries, otherwise known as Hungarian Kiflis. Let's get our ingredients ready. To make the dough, we will need 1½ sticks of sweet unsalted butter, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large whole egg, plus 1 large egg yolk. After you've combined all your ingredients in a bowl, take it out and put it onto a hard surface and start working it and knead it until the dough is nice and smooth. Now that we've finished kneading our dough, we've rolled it into a ball and we're going to allow it to rest covered for about 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, we'll go ahead and make our filling. We need 2½ cups of ground walnuts, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon lemon peel, and we're going to start out with about 1/2 cup of milk. The consistency that we're trying to achieve is just a slightly moistened consistency. If you find that your filling is a little bit too liquidy, add a little bit of the plain breadcrumbs to the mixture to absorb some of the liquid. Now that our dough is rested, we're ready to roll it out. To make it a little bit easier to work with, you can go ahead and cut your dough in half. Lightly flour your working surface to make it easier and to have the dough not stick quite so much. Be rolling out the dough to probably about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now that we've finished rolling out our dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick, we're going to take the dough and cut them into approximately 3-inch by 3-inch squares. Then we'll take 1 teaspoonful of our filling and place it in the middle of our square, and then we'll begin rolling it back toward us to form a crescent shape. Now we'll take our filled crescents and place them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. We'll be putting them into a 350 oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Before we put them into the oven, make sure to put an egg wash over each individual crescent. That will help it brown nicely. Now that we've formed all of our crescents and put them onto the parchment paper lined trays, we're taking our egg wash and putting it over each individual crescent. This is what our kiflis look like after 25 minutes of baking time. We take them, put them out onto a plate, sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top, and now they're ready to eat. This recipe made approximately 24 pieces of kiflis. Remember to get this recipe and many others at our website, www.thehungariangourmet.com. Thank you and see you again. Bye.